It's Learning with Nisha. I have a remote opportunity with CVS Health. This is a customer service position. They do have openings in 36 different locations. It is going to close in about 4 days. With this position, you will be working from home as a customer service representative. The customers include members of our benefit plans, employers that offer benefits, doctors, hospitals, and other providers of healthcare. In this role, you will create connections with our customers by helping with their benefits and claims to improve their health and well being. You will be responsible for educating customers about their benefits and claims while resolving issues and directing them to helpful resources. This position does require adaptability as well as empathy, as you'll be handling a variety of inquiries and ensuring customer satisfaction through kind and respectful interactions. As the face of our company, you will care for our customers by researching issues, documenting outcomes, resolving inquiries, delivering high level of customer service satisfaction. And you also need to have the ability to listen and respond to customer needs. With this position, it is going to be with Aetna. So for that particular position, you do need to have at least 6 months customer service experience as well as basic computer skills, and you must be able to work until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, you need to have, they prefer 1 year of customer service experience in a contact center environment, which may include calls, chats, email, correspondence, 1 year of claims, provider, dental, medical, or other health related experience with Microsoft Office, have a high school diploma, GED, or equivalent, as well as you need to have access to high speed internet. This position does pay $18.50 per hour. You will get a sign on bonus for $2,000 after 9 months of service, but you must remain with the company for a minimum of 12 months. It's 40 hours per week. The pay does range from $17 an hour up to $31.30 per hour. I am going to be putting the link in the comments, and as you can see here, there are multiple positions available. So again, you can apply at cvshealth.com, and I'll be updating